How to book hotel room in booking.com app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can book hotel room in booking.com app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up the booking app. So after you open up booking.com app, there you can log in into your account first. And after you log in into your account, here on the top section, you'll find different options. Simply tap on the stays option to book a hotel room. After that, you can then enter your credentials, such as where you want to go. I'll just type in New York and here your dates. So you can select the dates that you want to stay over there. Tap on select dates and also how many people that you want there. So if you want two rooms, you can tap on plus and such and such. And if you want to add people, you can add people and children's as well. And also there is an option to indicate if your pets are, traveling with you or not. So tap on apply after you've done that, and then tap on search bar. After you tap on the search option, there you will see list of hotels available. All you have to do is tap on the hotel that you want. I'll just tap on the top one. There you can see the details of hotel, such as if there's free Wi-Fi, shower, fitness center, and stuff like that. And then you can move on with this. You can also see the map for it. Then tap on select rooms. After you tap on select rooms, you can simply select the room that you want. So you can select from a wide range of rooms. I'll just select this one right here and tap on reserve. After doing that, you'll then have to type in your details. And after you do that, after you type in your details, you can then tap on next step, which will give you an overview of your booking. And after that, all you have to do is pay for the hotel reserve. After you do that, you'll have booked your room in booking.com app. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.